Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to set up WhatsApp business account. So we will first need to download the app. We open the app. We agree and continue. Now we can use the same phone we are using on normal WhatsApp or choose a different phone. I'll use the same. Then continue. I will allow. Now we need to wait. We'll choose a category for our business, for example, education. Keep that for now. We can choose, do we need to backup the chats? Since it's business, I highly recommend you to set up daily. Choose Google account for the backup. Let include videos as well and click done. Now tap on the top right corner the three dots. And guys, by the way, I want to improve my videos, so if you have any tips, put them in the comment section below. Now select business tools and here business profile. Here you can add address, business hours, logo for your business, website, email, and even products. You can add Facebook or Instagram link. Well, that's it.